What if I told you the difference between being broke and being wealthy isn't how much you earn but how long you let your money grow? In the psychology of money, content reference site 0 index equals 0 reveals a truth most people ignore. Wealth is not built overnight. It's built silently through something called compounding. We all underestimate small beginnings. A few thousand saved feels insignificant, so we ignore it, spend it, delay investing. But compounding doesn't work like a straight line. It starts slow, almost invisible, and then suddenly it explodes. One of the most powerful stories in the book is about content reference site 1 index equals 1, a janitor who became a millionaire, not by earning more, but by investing patiently for decades. While others earned more, they spent more. Lifestyle grew faster than wealth, and compounding never got a chance to work. Compounding needs one thing above all else: time. Not talent, not intelligence, just time. A person who starts early with small amounts often beats someone who starts late with large investments. But most people delay, waiting for the perfect time, the perfect strategy, the perfect income. Compounding is like planting a seed. For a long time nothing seems to happen, but underground roots are growing. And when the storm comes, those who stayed invested survive. Because compounding rewards patience, not panic. The biggest enemy of compounding is not the market. It's your behavior. Fear, dread, impatience. Markets fall, crashes happen, but every time those who stayed came out stronger. Because compounding doesn't care about short-term pain. It only rewards long-term consistency. The more you check your investments, the more emotional you become. And emotions break compounding. Successful investors don't chase trends. They follow simple rules and repeat them for years. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the result of years of discipline hidden behind simple decisions. And one day, what looked small becomes freedom. Not just money, but time, control, and peace. All from one decision: to start early and stay consistent. Compounding is slow until it's unstoppable. Start today. Stay patient. Your future self is watching. In the next episode, we uncover why rich people stay rich and others stay stuck.